Now, snow can definitely cause some problems in any type of situation, but it actually offers us some things if we know what to look for. And one of those things is right here in front of me. We have a rock with some snow missing right there. Now, what that tells me is this is a southern direction. Okay, we come around to this side. This all has snow on it still. Okay, this has snow on it still. But this side here seems to have some snow missing. Okay, you can see along this edge here. Now, why is that? That's because in this northern temperate zone here, we have most of our sun coming from the south. Okay, always will point you in a southern direction. You can look at plants, grasses, little ridges. It'll tell you if you're on the south or west side of a ridge versus the north side or east side of a ridge, because there'll be more melted snow. Okay, and if we look up at this ridge here, you can see those trees. A lot of that snow is melted right there in front of them. But here's a good example. Okay, you look in front of these trees, that snow's melted, but you look behind them and there's still quite a bit of snow. That's because that is the north side. This is the south side right there. Okay, so that is another way to find direction if you don't have any other means, you know, the compass or a watch or anything like that. You just need a fairly accurate way. You know, sometimes when you're telling direction by just the sun, it's good to use a couple other tools that nature provides to give you a more accurate, okay, well, I think west is this way, and I can look at this rock here and say, okay, well, I think this is pointing me south because of the way that snow's melted. And then you have a pretty accurate, okay, well, I must be right, that is west because this is a southern direction. So now it gives you a more accurate depiction of which way you need to go. Okay, so if I were to set this right here, I'm looking at this rock, I grab my compass and I put it right here, right in the center of all that mess. That points me due south. Okay, so I can see that this side here is the southern side of this stone. Okay, and I can tell by looking at this ridge above me too, the same thing. This is definitely a southern direction.